Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the HSY Mansion. Come on in. The HSY Mansion is the largest couture studio in Pakistan. हमने बनाया इस तरह कि जो भी हमारा क्लाइंट आए और हमसे मिलना चाहे, कपड़े ऑर्डर करना चाहे, उनको ये ना लगे कि वो किसी दुकान पे आए हैं या उनको लगे कि वो किसी स्टोर पे आए हैं। उनको ऐसा लगे कि वो मेरे घर पे आए हैं। क्योंकि हम जानते हैं पिछले 32 इयर्स से कि शादी एक ऐसा मौका है जहाँ स्ट्रेस लेवल भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है खुशी के साथ साथ। There are lots of expectations. Everybody wants to make sure that everything is perfect. And where are people most happy? At home. This is our foyer, जहाँ सारे clients अपने relative, sales executive से मिलते हैं, मुझसे मिलते हैं, and we take them to our different rooms that are dedicated to different areas of the wedding. And ये बहुत बड़ा foyer है, जहाँ आप आएंगे आपको मालूम होगा। And इसको ठंडा करने के लिए we had chosen the best AC possible because the most important thing to feel is cool and calm and collect when you come into the HSY Mansion. And here, the air conditioners are the largest indoor and outdoor units available in the market by Orient. Come, let me take you to our bridal suite. Welcome to our bridal studio. Come on in. जो HSY के बारे में जानता है वो जानता है कि हमारी 3 main businesses हैं, शादी, मेहंदी and वलीमा. Shadi is one of our core, most important businesses. 32 years से we've been making beautiful dreams come true. And this room is designed just for that. जहाँ families आराम से बैठ सकें, अपने खूबसूरत कपड़े देख सकें, decisions ले सकें, एक दूसरे के साथ मिल के गपशप कर सकें, and उसके साथ the most important चीज़ सुकून महसूस कर सकें while ordering this beautiful outfit. इस सुकून को कायम करने के लिए and making sure that it is absolutely perfect at the right time, we have a scheduling app that is based with this beautiful AC and makes sure that the AC is controlled and temperatured exactly how you would want it, when you would want it, way in advance. And then you sit here in this beautiful room, look at these beautiful clothes and make the decision of being the perfect bride. Next, I'll take you to our Walima room. Come on in. Welcome to our suite dedicated especially to the function of Walima. That's right. Walimas are an incredibly important function, and when brides come, they are equally as excited about their bridals as they are about their Walima. And in Walimas, just like in bridals, the entire family gets together. The entire family wants to be a part of the decision of how this bride will be the most beautiful. And this beautiful room that's designed like an old Haveli is designed especially for that, for the comfort of family, and most importantly, to be able to showcase all our beautiful designs. Our air conditioner here as well is designed to be able to gauge and monitor the amperes. So we are making smart decisions, not just for our clothing, but also for our electricity use. Our Mehndi room is as important as any other room because the Mehndi is now such an important event in Pakistani weddings that people really want to make an effort. Not just people who are attending it, but our beautiful brides who want to look beautiful at their Mehndi. And इसलिए हमने ये beautiful कमरा बनाया है जहाँ लोग आराम से अपनी ना सिर्फ वो decisions ले सकें मगर ढेर सारे options भी देख सकें. And क्योंकि मेहंदी पे तो आप जानते हैं कि cousins वगैरह सारे इतने ढेर सारे हंसते खेलते हुए यहाँ आते हैं, not just to make decisions of clothes, but dances में कौन से अच्छे कपड़े लेंगे. We want to make a beautiful room where they can make those decisions. And that's why we've made this beautiful room dedicated just to the event of Mehndi. आइए मैं अपना बाकी स्टूडियो आपको दिखाता हूँ। हमारा स्टूडियो बना इस तरह है कि हमारी एक साइड जो है वो पूरी डेडिकेटेड है टुवर्ड्स वुमेन्स वेयर, हमारी दूसरी साइड डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स मेंस वेयर. Though families come here together, many times people want to sit separately and make their decision, and we want to make sure that we have the spaces to make that as comfortable as possible. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, the hallways are all each uniquely designed. सारा आर्ट जो है, चाहे वो दीवारों के ऊपर हो, चाहे वो फ्लोर्स पे हो, चाहे वो कारपेट्स हों, चाहे वो कुशन्स हों, everything in the studio is proudly made in Pakistan. जहाँ लोग कहते हैं लंदन, पेरिस, मिलान, हम कहते हैं गुजरांवाला, फैसलाबाद, मुल्तान. एंड इसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हमने अपना ये स्टूडियो बनाया है. so people can come and see the absolute beauty of Pakistan. And जहाँ ब्यूटी की बात होती है और पाकिस्तान की बात होती है तो खाने पीने की बात तो होती है। और ऑफ कोर्स हम अपने सारे क्लाइंट्स का बड़ा ख्याल रखते हैं, खाना खिलाना जो चाहते हैं, मगर हमने उनके लिए ख़ास एक स्नैक रूम बनाया है जहाँ वो अगर खुद अपना कोई स्नैक देना चाहें तो आके ले सकते हैं। कम, I'll take you to ours. Our snack room is done in a beautiful way. It has some of the most beautiful pottery from all over Pakistan. And उसके साथ साथ it has my favorite thing, coffee. Coffee ना हो तो मैं सारा दिन काम नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए मेरे पास एक गर्म कप कॉफ़ी हमेशा होती है। और अगर कोई भी यहाँ क्लाइंट स्नैक कुछ खाना चाहे तो उनके लिए हमेशा यहाँ कोई ना कोई तैयारी होती है। आइए मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ अपने मेहंदी। From the beautiful chandeliers and the wallpaper on this wall to the antique armoires that hold all the beautiful clothes, the point of this room is to make you feel that you are in a beautiful mansion, that is truly your mansion, where you can come, sit with your family and friends and feel a certain sense of calm and feel a certain sense of presence of being at home. And इसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हमने ये मेहंदी का कमरा बनाया। This has been our entire women's section. Our women's section, as you know, is directed in 3 different spaces. And the most important thing is that we have one more beautiful place. क्योंकि बहुत से ऐसे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं जो शादी मेहंदी वलीमा के अलावा वो ऐसा टाइम चाह रहे होते हैं where they want to sit just with me, where they want to sit down with me, discuss their ideas, discuss their wedding concepts, and have me make something for them that's bespoke only for them, only by me. And उसके लिए I have our next room, which is called the HSY Pre-Bay Room. Come, let me take you there. Welcome to HSY Pre-Bay, a room dedicated especially for me and you and your family to sit and design something especially just for you. This is a room where we can sit and actually come up with ideas, concepts, and create something completely bespoke and completely new for your bridal wear, for your sherwani wear, or even your formal wear. This is the reason I wanted to make something that felt absolutely unique and specially designed for you. This is a room that is completely filled with all of the things that I love. The kind of plates that I love, the kind of ceramics that I love. On the walls, you'll find pictures of our family or of our ancestors, of my mom, of my sister. On the walls, you'll find the Quranic ayats that I love to read and make sure that they are around me all the time. And some of the awards and pictures of my friends. So this really feels like you are in my personal space. And is personal space may, we'd like to make something that is personally just for you. This is the first time we've done something like this at the HSY Mansion. We've never had a pre-bay room before, and this new service is designed for all of the new individual clients, and especially the new generation of buyers who want to have something that feels especially for themselves. Not something that they can just pick up from the store or buy from the racks on our HSY Mansion, but something that is made and designed just for you. So if you're coming to the HSY Mansion and you're looking to come to the pre-bay room, make sure that you call in advance and get an appointment for the HSY pre-bay experience right here at the HSY Mansion. Behind him is other gentleman standing here, but these are beautiful pictures of our family and beautiful legacy that is so incredibly important to us. HSY Pay, one of the most important things that I always talk about is your tradition, your heritage, who you are. आपके कपड़ों के अंदर भी यही पहचान होनी चाहिए। लोग शादी पे जब दुल्हन को देखने आते हैं तो they come to see a शहज़ादी or they come to see a शहज़ादा. A शहज़ादी and शहज़ादा don't just appear from nowhere. They have history, they have a background, they have a certain sense of an understanding of who they are. And to be able to really get to it, I like to know who is it that I am and where I come from so I can truly understand what my clients also want to represent in their clothes. Because the most important thing at the end of the day, wherever you go, is your family and your country. एंड वेलकम टू आवर मेंस सेक्शन। जैसे कि हमारे लेडीज सेक्शन के अंदर भी थीम स्पेसेस थी for शादी मेहंदी वलीमा, यहाँ भी हमने इसी तरह का स्पेस रखी है जहाँ आप शादी के लिए भी बैठ सके, मेहंदी के लिए भी और वलीमे के लिए। और उसके साथ साथ हर चीज़ को इस तरह पर्सनलाइज किया है कि आपको हमारी थोड़ी सी कहानी ज़रा नजर आए। एंड ऑल द पिक्चर्स यू विल सी थिंग्स दैट आई कलेक्टेड ओवर द ईयर्स। जैसे कि ये मशीन सब जानते हैं कि मैंने अपनी बिजनेस शुरू की थी विद जस्ट 2500 रुपीज़ एंड अ स्मॉल मशीन, जिसके अंदर मैंने एक मोटर लगा के अपनी बिजनेस शुरू की। उसी को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए we've made these machines here as well. And on the walls here, there are all these different things, antiques that I've collected over the years. And मज़े का चीज़ क्या है कि मैं जहाँ भी पाकिस्तान में जाता हूँ, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं उनकी एंटीक स्टोर्स या जहाँ उनकी पुरानी चीज़ें हों वहाँ जाऊँ ज़रूर और देखूँ कि वहाँ क्या मिल रहा है. So be able to buy a little piece of our history, our heritage and our culture. This is our men's section. If you come with me, I'll show you that our men's section is also, like I said, broken into 3 sections. But this is my favorite section, where all the kurtas are and something that I tend to wear a lot all the time. Come on in. This is our men's section at the HSY Mansion. हमने ये एक मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है मगर बनाया इतना बड़ा है क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि जब मेंसवेयर लोग ऑर्डर करने आते हैं और पूरी दुनिया से आते हैं बिकॉज आर मेंसवेयर इज सो पॉपुलर, बहुत से लोग अपने फैमिलीज को साथ लेके आते हैं, अपने कजन्स को, अपने दोस्तों को, यारों को एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली अपने बड़ों को। और ऐसी जगह उनको चाहिए होती है जहां वो आराम से सुकून से अपना ऑर्डर कर भी सकें। एंड क्योंकि ये जगह इतनी बड़ी है, जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, आर मेंसवेयर सेक्शन फॉर आर मेहंदी एंड फॉर आर वलीमा बिहाइंड मी एंड फॉर शादी दैट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, इट्स अ वेरी लार्ज स्पेस एंड इसको कूल रखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। इसलिए हमारा एयर कंडीशनर विच इज़ बाय ओरिएंट has a desert pro technology. वो इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा ठंडा कर सकता है कि चाहे बाहर टेम्परेचर 60 डिग्री सेल्सियस तो क्यों ना चला जाए, the room here will feel cool, calm and ready for you to make the order for your most important day. This is our menswear room for our sherwanis. ये भी एक ऐसा कमरा है जहाँ मैंने दीवारों पे और हर जगह पे वही एंटीक्स, वही चीज़ें जो मैंने कलेक्ट की हुई हैं वो लगाई हुई हैं, सो लोगों को एक एहसास हो कि द इंटायर स्पेस इज कनेक्टेड एज वन सिंगल मैंशन. But the most important thing here, of course, on the walls is our product, our beautiful sherwanis. And क्योंकि हम sherwanis ना सिर्फ दुल्हा के लिए मगर उन सरवालों के लिए भी बनाते हैं, we want to make sure that we have a product that is beautiful and the right product for each of our clients who comes from us from all over the world. यहाँ families आराम से बैठ के अपनी decisions ले सकती हैं, दूल्हा अपने family के साथ बैठ के वो decisions ले सकता है in an environment which makes them feel home, safe and most importantly at ease to make the right decision. इस ब्यूटीफुल मैंशन के अंदर जैसे आपको मैंने बताया एक पूरा सेक्शन है which is dedicated to women's wear और एक पूरा सेक्शन है which is dedicated to men's wear. But we wanted to do something even more beautiful for this new mansion that we've made. And इसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए we have made a beautiful ready-to-wear store. That's right. At the HSY Mansion for the first time, we have a beautiful ready-to-wear store for clients who are driving in, who want to buy something quickly and want to take it home. Of course, they will come, experience the beautiful HSY Mansion experience, but there will also be something available for them to come and buy quickly. Come, let me show you our new ready-to-wear store at the HSY Mansion. And welcome to our first ready-to-wear store at the HSY Mansion. Come on in. जो मुझे जानता है वो जानता है कि मैं ट्रेडिशन और कल्चर और हिस्ट्री के बारे में बिल्कुल पागल हूँ. मैं समझता हूँ कि पाकिस्तान की पहचान वही है जो हम दुनिया को दिखाएंगे. एंड क्योंकि मैं दुनिया को हमेशा अपने पाकिस्तान की एक पॉजिटिव इमेज दिखाना चाहता हूँ, आई रियली ओन अप टू ऑल द थिंग्स दैट ट्रूली मेक मी हु आई एम. Behind me, if you can see, our ready-to-wear store has an etching of the Shalimar Bagh. शालीमार बाग एक ऐसी जगह है जो क्योंकि मैं एक कराई हूँ और एक मियाँ फैमिली का हूँ, we hail from that area. Our Qabristan is right next to the Shalimar Gardens as well. And most importantly, its heritage is very important to me. So right behind me is the Shalimar Gardens and inside our clothes also inspired by our tradition and our culture. Pakistan का एक बहुत rich culture है. It's a beautiful country with so much to offer. In all different provinces, our embroideries are unique and completely different than anyone else's in the world. And यही हम कोशिश करते हैं कि अपने कपड़ों में भी दिखाएं for silhouettes that are modern and clean for the young Pakistani person, but also for those people coming to Pakistan to buy clothes that are truly and beautifully Pakistan. This was the HSY Mansion. जैसे कि आपको पता चला, I believe in culture, in tradition, and family, and most importantly, in representing the best part of Pakistan, the beautiful part of Pakistan, the softer part of Pakistan. And you can find all of this, and you can find the most important thing, the experience of coming to our studio, because it feels like not just our home, but your home. This is Hassan Sharia Yasin, welcoming you all to come to the HSY Mansion here in Lahore. I hope I look forward to seeing you very soon, and I hope you like this beautiful mansion that we built for you.